You are always one major decision and one major action away from changing your entire life. Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree and I will spend 4 hours sharpening the axe. Attitude is a little thing that makes a major difference. Pick people and associates whose behavior and all aspects are better than you, and you will drift in that direction. Something very novel. Let's host business showers. When a friend starts a business, come together, celebrate, and bring in resources for their business to start and to keep everyone rocking. Excel and succeed.